Hello everyone. Our project is called Student Marks Analyzer and it is developed using functional programming in Haskell. The main goal of this project is to analyze student examination marks in a reliable and predictable way. In real-world educational systems such as university result processing or academic reporting platform, it is easy it is very important that calculation like grade and pass or fail decision are correct and free from errors. We selected this problem because it is represent a common data processing task that benefits from functional programming. Using Haskell allows us to focus on what the computation is rather than how it is performed, which leads to clear and safer logic. In this demonstration, the programming press accept input from user such as number of students, their names and their marks. Now I will show. The input is handled separately in input and output module, ensuring that input and output are isolated from the main logic. The actual computation is done using pure functions where students' marks are transformed into grades and pass or fail status without modifying any data. We also calculate the class average using higher order functions like map and sum. Finally, the process final the process result are formatted and displayed as output. This clear flow from input to computation to output demonstrate how functional programming enable clean and maintainable data processing pipelines. This project demonstrates several key functional programming concepts including purity, immutability, recursion and algebraic data types. Pure functions only produce the same output for same input, which makes the system reliable and easy to test. Immutability ensures that data cannot be changed accidentally, reducing bugs. Recursing is used instead of loops to process multiple students in clear and functional manner. Because there is no shared mutable state, this design is also safer for concurrency and parallel processing. In conclusions, our project show how functional programming is how functional programming in Haskell can be used to build simple, correct, and scalable application for real-world data analysis scenarios. This is our codes. Thank you.